Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a product into your Pipedrive account. So we have this workspace going on at our trial Pipedrive account, and what we want to do, we want to add a new product in 2022. What we have to do, where we have to go? We have to focus on the left sidebar that we have here. And there are the second from the bottom, we have products. At the moment in this account there are no products. So we want to add more. We can either click on create new product or just click on this plus product. Name of the product is, for example, rocket. For, I don't know. Production code, let's go with 0, category, space thingy, and also we want to add it as a new category. Unit, measurement of standard amount of a physical quantity such as length, mass, energy, time, money, etc. So, I don't know, this one will be the smaller one. So it will be 100 kilograms. Unit prices, how much can cost one rocket? Let's go with 60,000 euros. You can add a price for different regions. Tax, standard 20%. And who can see this product? Let's go with entire company and we are going to save it. Now we can view it and we can basically add more information. At the moment it's not part of any deals and any files. So there are 60,000 per unit price. Cost per unit is 0, direct cost currency 0. So obviously it's, let's go like this. It's a unit of 1. And also participants, there are no participants linked to this product, and also followers that are following inside of this company. Owner of this rocket or this window is basically me, but you can change it to more people if you want to. Also, you can duplicate it, deactivate it, or delete it. So that's about it. That's how you create the product. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day.